How to fix Nintendo network error step by step. To fix your Nintendo's network error, first things first, fully restart your console. Hold the physical power button on the top of the console for 3 seconds and select the power options from the screen menu and click restart. Once you restart your console itself, proceed to refresh your network equipment. Unplug your modem and router from the wall outlet as well. Then simply wait for 30 seconds to clear the cache. Plug them back in and wait for the lights to fully stabilize. Then proceed to clear and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Once you remove the old Wi-Fi network, you simply have to reconnect it once again. Then proceed to manually change the DNS settings. Head to the system settings, go to internet, then once again go to internet settings, and you will find the change settings option. Scroll down to the DNS settings and switch it from automatic to manual. Then set the primary DNS to 1.1.1.1 and lastly set your secondary DNS to 1.0.0.1. Then you simply have to click save and test the connection again. And this should fix your issue. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.